Bake your way to a sweet new home, the ultimate holiday sugar cookie recipe. There's no place like home for the holidays, and no better way to break in an amazing new kitchen than by baking a batch of festive sugar cookies. Whether you're celebrating Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just love the excuse to cover your countertops in flour, sugar, and frosting, this recipe is sure to bring warmth and joy to your home. And if you're dreaming of a bigger, brighter kitchen for next year's holiday baking, don't worry. I, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, can help you find the perfect one. The ultimate holiday sugar cookie recipe. These cookies are soft, buttery, and perfect for rolling out into fun shapes. They're easy enough for beginners, but impressive enough to wow your family, friends, and the occasional cookie thief. You know who you are. Ingredients for the cookies: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or almond extract for a festive twist, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 cups all-purpose flour. Ingredients for the frosting: 3 cups powdered sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons milk, adjust for consistency, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Food coloring: red, green, gold, whatever screams holiday cheer. Festive sprinkles, because more is always better. Directions: preheat and prep. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats. Less mess, more cookies. Cream it up. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. Think clouds, but tastier. Add the egg and vanilla extract, mix until combined. Flour power. In another bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add this to the wet ingredients, mixing until the dough forms. It might look crumbly at first, but keep at it. It'll come together. Roll, cut, repeat. Roll your dough onto a lightly floured surface about a 1/4 inch thickness. Use your favorite holiday cutters. Turkeys, stockings, Christmas trees, or even rockets. We're on the Space Coast after all. Bake. Transfer cookies to your baking sheet and bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until edges are starting to turn golden brown. Let them cool completely before decorating or risk a frosting meltdown. Mix and frost. Whisk the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla together to make the frosting. Divide into bowls and tint with your desired colors. Spread or pipe onto cooled cookies and go wild with sprinkles. Why your new kitchen deserves a batch of cookies? Now, imagine whipping up these cookies in a kitchen with granite countertops, a double oven, and an island big enough for every frosting bowl and sprinkle jar. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? Whether you're upgrading to accommodate your growing family, need more space for entertaining, or just want a kitchen that inspires your inner baker, I'm here to make it happen. Let's find you a home where every holiday memory feels magical and where you'll want to bake sugar cookies for years to come. Call me, your favorite realtor, to start your search for that perfect kitchen today. And until then, enjoy these cookies. They'll be just as sweet in your current kitchen, but even sweeter in your new one. Happy baking and happy house hunting.